Kamachelo riwruog Jodolo mano e kaunti ma Bungoma okwedo josiasa mano mayanyore rombe mag siasa kagi kwayo josiasa mondo miyo us agenda magi e yo ma owinjore kagi loso kod jofwambo e kanisa mano mar St. Crispin CCK ma Bungoma. Bishop George Machumo onyiso luoro mare mano kowacho ni wach malit mabende josiasa tinde yanyore mana e rombegi mano ka dwaro mondo mi josiasa kochakore kod MCAs nyaka 10 counties mondo mi oti kanyakla mano mar chwalo dongruok ne jopiny.
Our sincere appreciation to all elected and appointed leaders for their continued service and dedication to the people who have entrusted them with this kind of leadership. In the same spirit, we want to call for a renewed commitment to constructive dialogue, mutual respect, and reconciliation. Leadership must rise above division and reflect the biblical counsel. If it is possible, as far as it depends on you, we want to urge everyone to live at peace with everyone. The clergy urges members of the County Assembly and all the oversight bodies to exercise their mandate with integrity, with sobriety, and a spirit of collaboration.
Today, we convened in solemn reflection, prayer, and consultation on the current state of leadership and social cohesion within our county.
We call upon all stakeholders to transcend political, ethnic, and personal interests. Bungoma's progress depends on unity of purpose and collective responsibility.